we're gonna test if my pirate ship floats or sinks. If it floats, then I get points. If it doesn't, if it sinks, then I don't get any points. That would take away points. But I'm starting off with no points. My other one I didn't get points because we just made that up. But the life raft, the other one we have right here, we're gonna do that. But that's also a life raft. And I'm gonna test.
Wow, it's floating!
Yeah, we're gonna
Oh yeah.
I said this one's dry. Oh, never mind. If we put it upright, it'll just sink. Oh no. Okay, at least it's not sinking all the way. That's good. Oh my god, this gold piece fell out. Now time to... So, remember the captain's headquarters? It's now a life raft. We decided it could be a captain's headquarters and the life raft. So the other season, the chapter 2 season, let's see if it floats. I get 20 points. Like and subscribe at Soterios. I'm in break for Soterios. Bye!